Good morning, viewers. I am top astrologer M. Rajashekaran. In this prediction video, I would like to tell you about the Indian stock market behavior during 22/7/2021 to 17/8/2021. Disclaimer: out of 10 predictions made, I am getting 7 to 8 predictions correct. Viewers are requested to make a note of this point. The views expressed in this channel should not be taken as a share trading advice. Previous prediction check. I had predicted a rise in the market during 15/7/2021 to 23/7/2021. So far, it had not occurred and the markets are falling. As my long-term prediction, which is in the next slide, you can see it. See here it shows from 21/6 to 17/8 the market is going down. So the long-term prediction is downtrend. This fall does not surprise me. But what is a cause of concern is that I have predicted this zone to be highly volatile. Falls will be drastic and rises has to be sharp. That is volatile. That is why I started my paper trade. Again, I expect that sharp rise to occur during 16 to 23/7/2021. That has not happened. But still, it may occur before 17/8/2021. Now let us come to the prediction for 22/7 to 17/8/2021. Things are looking bad. Even though corona is not rising in India, rise of delta variation of corona is threatening in many foreign countries. That will also affect the Indian market. Bank Nifty is more vulnerable to falls. I expect few sharp rises in the market before 17/8/2021. Unless it occurs, Bank Nifty may go down to 30,000 to 31,000 points range. Earlier, I have predicted that around 17/8/2021, Nifty will be less than 15,600 points. Now, if we cannot see the sharp rises, then Nifty will fall below 15,300. You see, this is my revised projection. If we see few sharp rises, then the Nifty range will be below 15,600. If it did not, if it cannot occur, I mean only falls no rise, then Nifty will fall below 15,300. Top astrology theories proved right. Top astrology pattern is to take rise from rise and to take fall from fall. That is, past is equal to future. Now you see, I have taken the fall from HDFC Bank and Reliance and predicted the weakness. It had become correct. Up to now, they are falling consistently. Also, you can see a bad news came about Adani Group around 15/6/2021, and the market had fallen heavily during 16 to 18/6/2021. Now you see again bad news had come about Adani Group and the market is again seeing a fall. That is, past is equal to future. I say that future occurs in the past. That is why whatever has to happen in the future has to occur before. From that past, we can read the future using the formula past is equal to future. Next video. So long I've been telling about this equation. In the next video, I will explain more about it, taking Mr. Anil Ambani's horoscope as example. My paper trade. My purchase of Bank Nifty is showing a loss. I will keep it and try to sell it in the next predicted new high point around 17,920.21. I am not bothered about the heavy falls in Bank Nifty. That is the nature of Bank Nifty. When it falls, it sheds few thousand points quite easily. Likewise, when it goes up, it will go up easily by few thousand points. Hence, the long-time projection of Indian stock market is always showing a growth. I would not mind staying with the market. Thank you.